Good morning, travelers. Graham Cracker here. I just thought I'd give you this little video on some tips that we do out in the desert, or at least I do out in the desert, to look presentable, like cleaning up in the morning and that sort of thing. Today I'm doing a haircut and just show you a little bit of how I hook up and how I go about doing a haircut in the desert, because I do my own haircut, and in a few minutes we'll be going in and showing you how the shower all works. Lots of you have asked, how does your shower work? So today I'm going to video that process. No, I'm not going to video while I'm in the shower. It would scare the daylights out of every one of you. You ever seen a beached whale on a beach? That would be me. Anyway, without further ado, I'll show you what I'm doing to do a haircut. First off, I hang my mirror on the side of my van so that I can see my wonderful self in it. And I know the lighting is not really good because it's kind of early in the morning. Set up all my hair cutting tools. I have a hair cutting kit, and yes, it's electrical, so I am running my generator. I don't know if I could show me actually cutting my hair, but we'll give that a shot. There goes. Just your normal, average, everyday haircut, the way I like it. Yes, I like my hair short, very short, so you know, I know a lot of you are going to go, oh, don't cut it, don't cut it. You know, I wore my hair all the way down to my waist for years and years and years, and I really, really hate it. And now that it's short, I love it. I'm embracing wearing my hair short, and it's just easy to take care of. Showers are quicker because they time you down here sometimes for the shower. And so I just like it short, and I'm sorry if my viewers go, oh, leave it long, blah, 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 blah. That's your head. That's your hair. You leave it long if you'd like. You cut it all off if you'd like. You shave it if you'd like. This is my hair. This is my head. This is how I like it. And I'm just showing you what I do to get it this way. Anyway, I'll come back in a few minutes. Well, viewers, that's the end of the haircut. It'll do for a couple more weeks, and now I'll take you in and show you how I use my indoor shower. All right. First prep for shower is heating up the water. Usually I use the sun to get my water hot. We haven't had sun for a couple days, so I'm heating it up on the little stove. And I'm going to use some hot water. Pumper bottle method for my shower. It's a 2-gallon. You can use a 1-gallon, you can use a 3-gallon, you can use anything you want. There are videos out there on how to make this, where it has your shower head, and when you pump it up, it will give you it'll give you a stream of shower. The blue bottle here is my holding tank. So when I use my shower, the water goes in that holding tank, and then I can pour it off somewhere else other than right by my door. Down in a septic, or water some plants or whatever. Anyway, this is my shower drain that I will insert to the bottom of our holding tank, so water goes in there and not all over the ground. I'm also heating the house. Right now it's a good 70 degrees, which is plenty warm to get a shower. I have pulled out my shower pan, put down my rugs. The drain goes out the back. There's a drain hose going out the back. Goes out the door into that bucket. And now I'll pull my shower curtain out and put in the plastic ones that are sitting on the commode right there so that I don't get water all over the floor. Enclosure, I have the plastic curtains up, and then those sit down into the tub down there. It's really hard to see, but they sit down in the tub so water doesn't go anywhere. That is the biggest hassle I can see, is just putting up this shower curtain. And anyway, there we have it. And I will be setting my pumper right here on the sink, and I'll be able to access my shower. Well, that's it for the haircut and shower. And as you can see, shower's all back to the bathroom mode. And everything's put away. Everything is drying out, and that's it. That's how our shower works, and that's how we do things on the road. Very simple. Now, I like using community parks and community pools, because you can get the hot pool, the shower, the whole thing for pretty inexpensively. And usually every rural area or even a city has a community pool or a community center where they have showers, and it's usually really reasonable, about $4 or $5 a piece. Winslow had them as low as 75 cents for over 55. So look up community pools, community centers when you're traveling. I do not have a gym membership. I do not frequent big cities, so a gym membership for me would be a waste of funds. So I use community pools, community showers, and then when I'm down in Quartzsite, they have showers at the laundromat and showers in Ehrenberg at that laundromat. Sometimes I'll use a truck stop, but that's super expensive for me. That's $12 for a shower, when I can go to a swimming pool and get a hot pool, swimming pool, and a shower for less than 10. So for me, going to a truck stop is pretty much a waste of money. I can carry 24 gallons of water with me. That's enough for Jake and I for 2 weeks boondocking, with a shower once a week. And don't freak out, because when we were young, we only got showers once a week. We got baths once a week. Saturday night was bath night, and you went to church on Sunday morning. So during the rest of the week, you did sponge baths, you washed your face, you washed your feet, you cleaned yourself up, but it was a once a week bath. So, you know, living out here and taking a bath once a week is not out of the norm. Since I guess the 70s, 80s, showers have become like super frequent, and you know, a little dirt never hurt anybody. Now, I'm not telling you to walk around stinking, because I never do. I always wash, I always use deodorant, I always keep myself clean, and most of my campmates keep themselves clean too. Usually don't have that problem with people out here, because they do regularly keep themselves clean. They don't want to be dirty. So it's not an issue of being clean or being dirty. Stay clean. That's it. Stay clean, you stay healthy. And just because you get a shower once a week does not mean you're not clean. So with that, I use, like I said, a 2-gallon jug, and I didn't even use the full 2 gallons. I used probably 1.5 gallons, maybe 1.75 gallons to get my complete shower, washing my hair and everything. If you got longer hair, it's going to take longer. And yes, you can wash your hair in between the week if you want. Just get more water, that's all. You can always go into town and get more water. Anyway, that's the whole shower, haircut adventure here this morning. Again, follow your heart, embrace your dreams, and cherish your life, and get out there and do something today. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. We're out here at Fortuna Pond, enjoying a nice pond, and I'll give you a view of what it looks like from my camp door. Right outside my door, folks. Right outside my door. There's Jake on the ground, sunning himself, looking really like he's enjoying the sun. We have our little porch out here, our little blue tank for the shower. We're still putting things away. Anyway, this is the view from Fortuna Pond, Arizona, down in Yuma, Arizona. Until next time, we'll We'll see you later. Thanks for coming with us to travel. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for comments. I read every single one of your comments. I answer them as quickly as I can. Right now we have no service out here. And give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and keep watching, and we'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.